इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good evening to all the dear friends. We, the entire team of Franchise India, welcome all of you to our Bharat Franchise Show. This is a show specifically designed for all of you so that you digitally interact with the top business opportunities we have got for you. Today, we have invited the brand's representative from top 4 companies where they'll be interacting with you, talking about their business opportunities. So we request all of you to please maximize this time by putting your queries in question and answer box. I welcome and invite all our brand's representative. I also welcome and invite our regional head for Maharashtra, Mr. Vikas Srivastava. Today he is hosting this particular webinar and he'll be leading the webinar throughout the evening. Thank you so much, Vikas, for joining in today. May we request to invite all our guests as well as our investors who have joined us today. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Archana, for inviting. This is Vikas. I'm the regional head for Maharashtra. And thank you all for joining this session. And we will try to make it more interactive with your questions, answers in the chat box. So why Franchise India? This is both for investors and the brands also. So investors get a platform wherein they come to know about different brands with different investment capacity. And as per their choice, they can choose any of their brand, whichever expertise they have. We provide in-depth knowledge to the investors in terms of the model in which the brand works, their financials, and we provide a transparent kind of calculations to the investors to understand how their ROI work and what is the time when they can build up, close their break even for the entire investment that being done from their side. On the other part, to the brands, we help them to expand their reach, their footprint across by getting different leads from in the form of the investors, whom we try to connect with brands so that they can connect with the investors with the right kind of an approach, and investors who are serious about a brand, they can discuss with this brand spokesperson on the agreement front, on the financial front, and parallelly they can have an experience of an live model setup in and across wherever they want to open their setup. So this is one platform. Franchise India being more than 20-plus-year-old company in India, and it's with the largest franchise network. So it's one of the oldest company in India. So we can start with Kanika ma'am. Can we start with the first brand?
Sure. So thank you so much, Vikas, for giving understanding about Franchise India and the kind of the work we do. Now we invite our first brand and we are introducing Uclean to all of you. Uclean is India's largest and the biggest dry cleaning chain. Why we say largest? Because they are already having registered 250 plus partners with them. That's the penetration they have created in market within a span of 5.5 years in the market. I invite Mr. Arun, who will be talking about Uclean with all of us. Thank you, Arun, for joining in today. Can we request to have a presentation from your side?
Of course, ma'am. Is I audible to you, ma'am? Hello.
Yeah, audible.
Okay. Thank you, Archana, and good evening to all members which are present here. And first of all, I introduce myself. My name is Arun Tyagi, and I'm a business development manager in Uclean. Okay. And today I'm getting this opportunity to represent my brand. Okay, as we started in 2016 October, Uclean come to existence, and Mr. Arunabh Sinha, who's a IIT graduate from IIT Madras, launched this idea. Okay, and definitely as Archana ma'am told us that Uclean in a span of a very small time, it put his name on many of the front page of the magazines. Okay, so as I can told you that my brand Uclean जो है वो अभी 71 cities में है, and almost we have opened 300 stores. Okay, and we the Uclean is a brand which make a systematic the unsystematic system of laundry. अगर आप जनरली देखते हैं कि मोस्टली अगर हम अपने आप से
Arun, I'll just bother you. We can't see the PPT. Can you just share the PPT?
I'm just sharing the PPT.
Sure.
Can you see my screen now?
No. Yeah.
Now we can see that.
So as I'm talking about my brand, so definitely, what is the unique in my brand? First of all, that is industry analysis. We are the brand which if you going to start with us, so definitely we provide survey, industry analysis, and all these things. And why laundry is outsourcing? Means many of the customer and all the in the industry think that their laundry system is in outsourcing. Understanding the growth model, Uclean value proposition, footprint, technological and digital strength, introducing of franchisee format and support system. These are the system जो हमने अभी अपने ब्रांड के साथ लॉन्च किए हैं लॉन्ड्री बिजनेस. ठीक है, अगर मैं आपको बताऊं तो जो हमारा इंडस्ट्री स्पीक है, जो लॉन्ड्री मार्केट है, वो सिर्फ हमसे या फिर जो भी मोस्ट ऑफ द ब्रांड्स है वो 4.23% कवर हो चुका है. जो रेस्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस है वो 95.7 जो मार्केट जो एरिया है, जो स्पेस है, वो स्टिल धोबी घाट या फिर डिफरेंट जो लोकल ब्रांड्स है उसी से कवर किया. और देखा जाए तो ये जो बिजनेस है वो 76 बिलियन लॉन्ड्री मार्केट, जो मुझे लगता है कि जो मतलब और किसी भी बिजनेस से बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है. ठीक है, तो अगर मैं आपको और चीजें बताऊं, जैसे चैलेंजेस क्या है, अगर आप फ्यूचर में आगे 10 साल या 5 साल में देखते हैं या आने वाले कुछ सालों में देखते हैं, तो वाटर जो स्कैर्सिटी है वो एक रियल इशू बनने वाला है हमारे आने वाले टाइम में. मंथली जो लॉन्ड्री है वो लगभग 40 से 50 घंटे का टाइम लेती है 4 फैमिली मेंबर्स के लिए, और लिमिटेड स्पेस है. जैसे अगर मैं रिसेंटली एग्जांपल दूं, जो कि महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट ने अभी एक जो लॉन्ड्री जो वॉशिंग मशीन जो एरिया है उसको फ्लैट्स में अभी बंद कर दिया कि आप वो एरिया रख ही नहीं सकते ड्यू टू स्कैर्सिटी ऑफ स्पेस. तो अभी हमें क्या करना है कि quality of cleaning and poor of substandard, high risk associated with cleaning expensive cloth items, और ironing condition on roadside iron men are जो हमें ट्रस्ट नहीं करते। हम स्ट्रिक्टली जो चैलेंजेस हैं हमारे पास वो ये हैं, और हम क्या प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं वो ऑटोमेटिकली अगर देखा जाए तो एक मशीन जो होती है, जो वॉशिंग मशीन होती है, वो 25,000 रुपए की हम बाय करते हैं। अगर उसको एनुअल मेंटेनेंस करें, जो एक 7 साल की वारंटी के साथ आती है, एनुअल मेंटेनेंस करें अगर 1200 रुपए से भी हम उसको करते हैं, तो डेफिनेटली जो टोटल फिक्स जो चार्जेस होता है वो कुछ इस तरह है। ठीक है, तो अगर हम पूरा जो कंपैरिजन करें तो ऑन एन एवरेज हम एक लॉन्ड्री या फिर एक रेपुटेटेड ब्रांड के साथ आप जाते हैं तो वो एज कंपेयर टू हम अपने घर में ज्यादा एक्सपेंसेस कर देते हैं। जो पूरा जैसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का हम लगाए, वाटर, डिटर्जेंट, लोकल आयरनिंग, जो भी प्रोसेस होता है, अगर हम उसको पूरे को कोलैबोरेट करके बताएं तो वो ज्यादा होता है एज कंपेयर टू हम अगर किसी ब्रांड के पास जाए। अगर और जो हमारे लिए मतलब व्हाट इज यूनिक एंड व्हाट मेक यूनिक अस, व्हाट इज ट्रस्ट। मतलब अगर आप एक 5-10 हजार रुपए का कपड़ा अपना दे रहे हैं, मीन्स अगर आप 1 kg या 5 kg कपड़ा दे रहे हैं, तो अगर उसकी देखा जाए तो वैल्यू 20,000 रुपए तक हो सकती है। तो पहली तो बात यह कि अगर आप अपना कपड़ा किसी को दे रहे हैं तो डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट ऑन दैट कि वो फट जाए या फिर खराब हो जाए, तो दैट इज बिगेस्ट इशू। ट्रांसपेरेंसी, मतलब अगर इफ कस्टमर वांट दैट ड्यू टू कोरोना एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स कि वो देखना चाहता है कि मेरा जो कपड़ा है वो कहाँ पे धो, ही वांट टू नो दैट कि कैसे धो रहा है, क्या केमिकल्स यूज हो रहे हैं, क्या चीजें वो यूज कर रहे हैं। तो डेफिनेटली ही कैन विजिट अवर स्टोर एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स, ही कैन सी दैट मतलब एक टाइम होगा जो हम एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पर ही उसको, मतलब अगर एक धोबी आपसे प्रॉमिस करता है, लोकल वेंडर प्रॉमिस करता है कि हम परसों आपके कपड़े दे पाएंगे, और आई थिंक वो परसों कभी नहीं आता। दैट इज द ट्रूथ। So these are the 5 T's on which we are working on transpiration technology. So we are using the best technology, the soft wash. Uclean was only brand who introduced soft wash in India. Okay, so control leave. अब हम आते हैं कि Uclean वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन में कैसे आता है। शेड्यूल योर लॉन्ड्री बाय बुकिंग। हम ऐप की फैसिलिटीज, मीन्स अगर आप देखा जाए कि एक 5 ईयर से मोस्टली 10 ईयर से लेके और एक 80 इयर्स का जो ग्रेनी है वो अभी लाइव है। ही कैन यूज हाउ टू यूज इंटरनेट, और डेफिनेटली यू कैन ऑर्डर ए पिज्जा, यू कैन ऑर्डर ए यू कैन ऑर्डर एवरीथिंग ऑन योर फोन। सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कनेक्ट लॉन्ड्री टू दैट फोन। मीन्स आप ऐप के थ्रू, कॉल सेंटर के थ्रू, व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू, वेबसाइट के थ्रू अपना ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं। वो सारी चीजें, आपका जो चीजें हैं वो फिक्स होके, आपका कपड़ा धो के, आयरन होके, अच्छे से पैकिंग होके आपके घर पे पहुंचता है। ठीक है, दीज आर द फ्यू स्टेप्स। मीन्स वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन क्या है, कोस्ट स्ट्रक्चर क्या है, रेवेन्यू स्ट्रीम्स क्या है, चैनल्स क्या है, की पार्टनर्स क्या है, डिफरेंट चीजें हम आपको एक प्रॉपर चैनल के थ्रू बताते हैं। ये है कि यूक्लीन फुटप्रिंट, मतलब टायर 2 एंड टायर 3 सिटीज, सो मैसिव पोटेंशियल। ये बिल्कुल एक मतलब अगर देखा जाए तो जो टायर 3 और टायर 2 सिटीज में है वो मेनली जो मार्केट जो ओन बाय है वो लोकल धोबीज के द्वारा ओन है। लेकिन जैसे जैसे वहां पे एक ब्रांड का इंट्रोड्यूस होता है तो डेफिनेटली वो एक ट्रस्ट जो होता है वो लोकल धोबी से शिफ्ट करके आप हमारे एक ब्रांड पे आप जा सकते हैं। उसके कई रीजन हो सकते हैं। उनके पास अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं है, उनके पास ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं है, उनको ये नहीं पता कि हमारे कपड़े, इफ यू गिव योर वाश टू इफ यू क्लोथ्स टू द लोकल धोबी, तो आपको नहीं पता है कि वो किस कपड़े के साथ आपके कपड़े धो रहा है। तो ट्रांसपेरेंसी, ऑल द थिंग्स मैटर अ लॉट। और रिसेंटली जो कोविड का हमने जो पेंडेमिक अभी झेला है, डेफिनेटली ये यूक्लीन बिजनेस के लिए बेनिफिट रहा है। बेनिफिट इन सेंस कि जो कस्टमर हैं वो अवेयर हुए हैं कि उनके कपड़े कहाँ किस तरीके से धो रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो ये बिगेस्ट कंसर्न रहा है कस्टमर्स का, और इस कंसर्न में जो यूक्लीन है वो सबसे परफेक्ट बैठा है। अगर मैं हाईएस्ट रेटेड ब्रांड अक्रॉस सर्विसेज, तो अगर देखा जाए तो वेबसाइट यूजर बाय चैनल वो 3% है, 4% है मोस्ट। अगर हम दूसरे ब्रांड के साथ अपने आप कंपेयर करते हैं तो यूक्लीन अपनी जो गूगल रैंकिंग है उसको भी, गूगल रेटिंग है उसको भी मेंटेन करने में 4.4 जो आउट ऑफ 5 है। और हमने जैसे बताया गया है, मैम ने भी मेंशन किया था 2019 में वी आर द बेस्ट फ्रेंच बेस्ट अवार्ड, वी गॉट द बेस्ट अवार्ड एंड Google ranking and all the things were good. Proprietary tech products, definitely order management dashboard, ये मतलब हम क्या फैसिलिटीज प्रोवाइड करते हैं अपने फ्रेंचाइजीज को। ऑर्डर मैनेजमेंट डैशबोर्ड है, प्रोप्राइटर बिलिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है, गारमेंट्स ट्रैकिंग डैशबोर्ड है। दीज आर द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी। एक धोबी के पास आप नहीं देख सकते कि आपका कपड़ा धो रहा है या फिर आ रहा है, बट इफ यू आर इंट्रोड्यूस टू द न्यू ब्रांड, न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, तो आप यहाँ पे सारी चीजें आप ट्रैक कर सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं कि मेरे पास आज कितने ऑर्डर आए हैं, कितना किसका कपड़ा कहाँ पे है। तो दीज आर द ऐप मैनेजमेंट, कस्टमर एनालिस्ट, यूजर एक्सेस मैनेजमेंट, सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट, वर्कशॉप मैनेजमेंट और प्राइसिंग मैनेजमेंट। दीज आर सम फैसिलिटीज which given by Uclean. Okay, so these are the facilities. So अगर मैं आपको आगे online presence for ahead of competition means what we are in term of online means अगर Alexa ranking देखें तो we are 44,128. It is a ranking जितना कम होगा उतना अच्छा होगा। And we have a organic organic tracking की अगर और किसी भी ब्रांड से आप अगर कंपेयर करते हैं, सिंस हमारे पास अगर डंबल ड्राई है, पिक माई लॉन्ड्री है जो एक स्टार्टअप है गुड़गांव का ही, और अगर यूक्लीन का आप देखते हैं तो ऑर्गेनिक ट्रैफिक इज बहुत फार मोर, बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत ज्यादा है। और रैंकिंग फॉर और हाई वैल्यू कीवर्ड्स अगर आप यूक्लीन गूगल वगैरह में अगर आप टाइप करते हैं तो ड्राई क्लीन में सबसे जो पहला ऑप्शन होगा वो यूक्लीन ही होगा। ठीक है, दीज आर द सम माइलस्टोन व्हिच वी कवर रिसेंटली। सो अवर जो टीम है, एज आई मेंशन यू, अवर फाउंडर इज Mr. Arnab Sinha, we have a CEO, Mr. Aman, and we have a dedicated team. We have a customer support team. We have a well support system to support our franchisees. हमें what are the requirements? Means regular exclusive area developer, red carpet program for existing laundries and dry cleaner, commercial franchises. These are the okay. So what we unit economic Uclean, 8,000 unique customer, 3.7 lakh average monthly revenue. These are the benefits which we are giving to our franchises. These are some details. What 520 average ticket size, 650 of average orders, and service backups by volume monthly. These are the average, these are the average from our 250 store. कि हमें चाहिए क्या होता है आपको, और कैसे एक स्टोर के पास अगर एवरेज करते हैं तो उनके पास कितना ऑर्डर आता है, कितना उसका रेवेन्यू होगा, कितना आपका पूरा सिस्टम होगा। These are the costs, the investment. Okay, on an average अगर मैं आपको बताऊं, the Uclean require 15 to 16 lakh rupees investment. Okay, and accessory developer, proof of concept, POC expansion. Okay, so these are the investment model. As I told you that investment aid in plant setup is lakhs is 17, is between 15 to 17 lakh. Okay, and franchisee for number of CCG services. Okay, so startup to success franchisee support system, but we have site setup, supplies, technology, talent, and targeting. All the things which we covered. Launchpad program for franchisee. Okay, thank you. That's from my side. Thank you, Vikas.
Thank you, Arun, for taking through the entire details of Uclean. Definitely, it's one of the new kind of thing in market with all the newest technology in terms of the washing clothes, it's dry cleaning. It could be used for the household and also for the commercial use also. And people already, this brand already had expanded for till 200-300 franchisees. It goes give the confidence wherein people can show trust on the investment being done, and they can expect the kind of revenue which the brand propose them in terms of the ROI structure. So thank you so much, Arun. giving us all detail, and definitely we will be sharing the details. Any questions and anybody want to ask? So anybody had a question can share the question in chat box. I will take it later. Maybe I will discuss with Arun and get back to you all. Thank you, Arun.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Arun, for joining in, and our best wishes with you. We hope soon was the count of 500 also. Because, can you hear me?
We lost your voice.
Okay, so I was saying thank you so much, Arun, for joining in. Now I invite Mr. Pankaj from comes from land of Punjab, and today they are exploring their partners in the land of in the city of Mumbai. So thank you आज हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए आपका अभिनंदन, आपका स्वागत करते हैं इस शो के लिए. Can we request to have a presentation from your side?
पंकज जी का ये ब्रांड है नुक्कड़ ढाबा. दिस इज चंडीगढ़ बेस्ड रेस्टोरेंट चेन जो कि चंडीगढ़ में स्टार्ट किया है. नॉर्मली पंजाबी ऑथेंटिक फूड they prefer, and it's being a good brand in Chandigarh, and people love to dine at that their locations.
नुक्कड़ ढाबा की स्थापना 1984 में मेरे फादर ने की थी. उस टाइम पे ये एक छोटी सी स्ट्रीट रोड थी, वहां पे लगाता था. आज नुक्कड़ ढाबा पे और 200+ ऑर्डर पर डे के. यहाँ की कढ़ाई पनीर और दाल मखनी फेमस है. और चंडीगढ़ में जितने भी विजिटर्स आते हैं मोस्टली नुक्कड़ ढाबा पे सभी खाना खा के जाते हैं. और यहाँ पे मोस्टली ये होता है कि यहाँ पे लो क्लास फैमिली जब वो भी आती है और हाई क्लास फैमिली जब वो भी आती है, क्योंकि स्पाइसेस वगैरह इतने अच्छे यूज किए जाते हैं कि सभी को खाना पसंद है. रेट भी एकदम नॉर्मल रखे हुए हैं सारी.
तो पंकज जी कितने आपके वहाँ पे स्टोर हैं बेटा?
सर हमारे 3 स्टोर हैं यहाँ पे.
ओके, ये तीनों आपके चंडीगढ़ में ही है?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
ठीक है. और अभी आप एक्सपेंशन देख रहे हैं चंडीगढ़ के बाहर बॉम्बे मार्केट में, महाराष्ट्र?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
करेक्ट. तो इसके मॉडल के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे आप? आपका ये तीनों मॉडल आपके कितने बड़े मॉडल हैं?
सर जो हमारा मेन मॉडल है उसमें तो 100+ सीटिंग है, जिसमें 9 to 11 तो वेटिंग चलती है नाइट में, और वीकेंड पे पूरे दिन में ही वेटिंग रहती है. क्योंकि यहाँ के जो खाना है वो स्पाइसेस इतने अच्छे यूज किए जाते हैं. टेस्ट है वो एक पंजाब का टेस्ट है और प्योर वेजिटेरियन है.
ओके. तो आपका ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है कितने स्क्वायर फीट में? आपके दो कंसेप्ट है ना, एक तो प्रीमियम है और एक दूसरा कैजुअल डाइनिंग में है.
सर 4
स्क्वायर फीट. ओके.
हाँ जी. प्रीमियम, CDR, QSR.
करेक्ट. आपका एक 1800 स्क्वायर फीट वाला भी है, एक 1000 स्क्वायर फीट वाला भी है.
हाँ जी, एक 800 स्क्वायर फीट.
करेक्ट. तो आप कैसी लोकेशन प्रेफर करते हैं अपने ब्रांड के लिए? आउटस्कर्ट्स या मेन हाई वॉक इन स्ट्रीट के हिसाब से जहाँ पे भीड़ ज्यादा होती है?
सर 4 कॉन्सेप्ट है, QSR, CDR और एक फूड कोर्ट है. फूड कोर्ट में एक ही आउटडोर के लिए रखा जाता है. QSR, CDR उनकी सर डिटेल्स दी हुई है.
जी. मैं आपका ये कियोस्क मॉडल भी जो आपने दिया हुआ वो भी मैं आपको शो कर रहा हूँ, आप सामने देख रहे होंगे. टेक अवे है. तो आपके टोटल 4 मॉडल हैं. वन इज प्रीमियम डाइनिंग रेस्टोरेंट है जो कि 1800 से 200 स्क्वायर फीट के स्पेस में कवर करते हैं. सेकंड मॉडल है कैजुअल डाइनिंग है जो कि 1000 से 1200 स्क्वायर फीट में करते हैं. तीसरा QSR मॉडल है जो कि 800 स्क्वायर फीट के हिसाब से, जो कि नॉर्मली आइडली जहाँ पे कॉर्पोरेट पार्क है, कोई एजुकेशन हब है, स्कूल कॉलेज के आसपास हो गया, कोई हाई फुटफॉल कमर्शियल कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गया, मॉल के अंदर, मॉल के आसपास हो गया, जहाँ पे कि सिटिंग एरिया करीब करीब 30 से 40 लोग रहता है आपका क्विक सर्विस रेस्टोरेंट में.
यस सर.
ओके. तो एक नॉर्मल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के हिसाब से अभी आज के हम जो बात करते हैं, स्विगी, जोमेटो, जितने भी ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म भी आए हैं, सो आज की डेट में अगर हम बात करते हैं इंडिया में फूड डिलीवरी का जो मार्केट है करीब करीब $15 बिलियन का है. अगर हम कंप्लीट सेटअप के बारे में बात करते हैं जहाँ पे कि आप लोकल ऑनलाइन ऐप्स होते हैं प्लस दी मेजर अपने ऑनलाइन ऐप्स हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्विगी एंड जोमेटो. तो इट्स एन बिजनेस ऑफ समवेयर अराउंड 15 बिलियन. ठीक है. जो बेसिक कंसेप्ट है नुक्कड़ ढाबा का जो आपके यहाँ पंकज जी, जहाँ पे कंप्लीट रेंज ऑफ इंडियन कुजीन होता है आपके यहाँ, सारी रेंज आपको मिलती है मेन्यू में आपके कस्टमर्स के लिए. दिस इज बोथ वेज एंड नॉन वेज. अफोर्डेबल प्राइस है. मल्टीपल स्टोर फॉर्मेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स वो किसी भी मॉडल में जा सकते हैं. एसेसिबल है वेर इन डिफरेंट मार्केट के लिए इट कुड बी अडॉप्टेड डिफरेंट मॉडल. एक्सेप्टेबल है स्टोर फॉर्मेट इनके लार्ज फॉर्मेट और स्मॉल फॉर्मेट भी विद इन QSR मॉडल कैन गेट अकोमोडेटेड इन एनी काइंड ऑफ द मार्केट. एंड अडेप्टेबल भी है जहाँ पे डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट और रियल एस्टेट अवेलेबिलिटी होती है. सो नॉर्मली जो नुक्कड़ ढाबा के जो ओनर हैं जो देखते हैं फ्रेंचाइजीज में कि वहाँ पे क्या ट्रेंड है होना चाहिए, जहाँ पे कि 12 पॉइंट उन्होंने डाले हुए कि फिजिबिलिटी एनालिसिस के पॉइंट से कि क्रेडिबिलिटी, हैव अ सफिशिएंट ईयर ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस इन रनिंग रेस्टोरेंट बिजनेस, सक्सेसफुल ऑपरेशन रन किया उन्होंने. अभी जो हम कर रहे हैं चंडीगढ़ में भी इन्होंने ऑपरेशन रन कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद ही ये एक्सपेंशन का देख रहे हैं. और मार्केट में क्रेडिबिलिटी है इस ब्रांड की चंडीगढ़ में. एंड एनीबडी ट्रैवलिंग टू north towards Chandigarh can have a taste of food before getting into model and can have a festival discussion also. So that we will do. Anybody interested, हम लोग बात करेंगे उस पे. मार्केट में जो भी कंपटीशन है उसके बेसिस पे एवरीथिंग एवरी फूड आइटम्स बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड. जो इन्वेस्टमेंट इन्वॉल्व है इनके बिजनेस में इट्स एज पर द मार्केट trend only. It's nothing like it wherein it's being on a too higher side. So it's being very well planned in terms of investment and definitely उसी हिसाब से ROI भी इसका प्लान करके दिया हुआ है. And people investing in this business can expect good revenue and they will support in all kind of the backup in terms of all the menu that being run in the restaurant. They will help in that. So इनके जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट है इट्स नॉर्मली इनटू फ्रेंचाइज कंसेप्ट ओनली. द फोफो मॉडल नुक्कड़ ढाबा में आया फ्रेंचाइज मॉडल ही आ रहा है इनका. सो यहाँ पे जो इनका मॉडल है फाइनेंशियल मॉडल है उसमें कंपनी के हिसाब से इट कुड बी अ मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी ऑल्सो एंड अ सिंगल यूनिट कंसर्न ऑल्सो. तो मास्टर फ्रेंचाइजी लेके आप अपने नीचे डिफरेंट यूनिट्स बना सकते हो, डिफरेंट रेस्टोरेंट चेन्स क्रिएट करवा सकते हो और आप इंडिपेंडेंटली फ्रेंचाइज ओनर भी बन सकते हो. तो जो अब कोई भी अगर इंटरेस्ट शो करता है इस ब्रांड में तो ही विल गेट ऑल काइंड ऑफ सपोर्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ साइट सिलेक्शन में हेल्प करेंगे, ये प्री ओपनिंग ट्रेनिंग में हेल्प करेंगे. दे विल हेल्प इन द एंटायर ऑपरेशनल एंड रेसिपी मैनुअल्स कि आप जिस लोकेशन पे ओपन करना चाह रहे हो उसके उस लोकेशन के हिसाब से कौन कौन से कंटेंट मेन्यू में रहने चाहिए ताकि हम लोग ओवरलोडिंग ना करें मेन्यू में, ताकि कस्टमर को बहुत ज़्यादा रेंज के ना दिखा के अच्छी रेंज दिखाएं एरिया के हिसाब से. दैट इज अ बेटर चॉइस. आपको ब्रांड की तरफ से ऑनगोइंग ट्रेनिंग भी मिलेगी जो कि फील्ड सपोर्ट पे इन टर्म्स दे विल इफ एनीबॉडी इज ओपनिंग इन महाराष्ट्र तो टीम फ्रॉम चंडीगढ़ विल ट्रैवल एंड ट्रेन यू. दे विल हेल्प इन द कंप्लीट सेटअप. जो भी आपको एसेसरीज चाहिए इन टर्म्स ऑफ द सेटअप इंफ्रा रेस्टोरेंट सेटअप करने में दे विल कंप्लीटली हेल्प इन दैट. एंड प्लस मार्केटिंग और प्रमोशनल एक्टिविटीज में वो ब्रांड के साथ ही एसोसिएट रहेंगे एंड दे विल गेट ऑल एडवांटेज इन द मार्केट. तो इनका एक ये दिस इज द शोकेस ऑफ द ब्रांड जो चंडीगढ़ में एक स्टोर खुला हुआ है, हाउ इट लुक फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. ठीक है, पंकज जी कुछ ऐड करना चाहेंगे इसमें आप? ठीक है, आई थिंक सो. So anybody having any question, please post it in chat box. We will get back to you. ठीक है, चल मैम, can we have the next brand?
Sure. Yeah. So thank you so much, Vikas, for giving us this understanding. I think Pankaj is not able to join properly because of the technical problem. But thank you so much. And as rightly said by Vikas, if you are interested in Nukkad Dhaba, you can be in touch with us. Vikas has shared his number, or you can reach out to us at our business hotline number. Now, I invite the brand which comes from your own city, Bombay, and we have invited Ms. Garima from Paradise to talk about the very different kind of the concept-based, rather game-based cafe which she has operating. एंड गरिमा जी, क्या हम रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, आपने जो अपने आउटलेट्स, जो अपने कैफे स्टार्ट किए हैं, उनकी कैसे जर्नी रही है, उसके बारे में आप अगर हमें बता पाएं तो?
Definitely. So should I do it while sharing the screen? Hi everyone.
हाँ जी, हाय गरिमा, गुड टू सी यू. एंड आपके पास राइट्स हैं, आप शेयर कर सकते हो स्क्रीन?
Yeah, I can do that.
थैंक यू गरिमा.
Yeah. So this Paradise Mumbai has been started in 2017 February. And its main concept is non-digital entertainment. What are the effects of digitalization? Like, it's stealing time. We are becoming more unproductive, disturbed brain activity, emotional changes, lack of focus. So it's more to combat the side effects of digitalization. In last 2 years, obviously, we have been taken over by everything digital, which has helped us also, but excess of it has spoiled us in many ways. Not only us, kids, everyone. Board games, it's a board games cafe. We have a collection of more than 300 board games with variety of food options. We started with a very limited menu, but right now we have good amount of fooding options. Except for Indian, we can boast of having Mexican, Italian, Asian, breakfast, and finger food, shakes. Everything is there. How board games helps us? It helps us in having better memory, lower stress, better child development, bonding time. It's kind of therapy for everyone. We have been doing a lot of activities with corporates, Vista Rooms, Jeep, WeWork, JP Morgan, KPMG. So this is more of bonding time for them for corporate activities. We also have tie-ups with schools where we do after-school activities. Then kitties, birthdays are obviously our daily activities as a dining place. We also do house parties now. So this is a unique and exclusive cafe in Mumbai where it's not just that there are just board games and you come, you read the rule book and then, then you play. We help you with all the games. So this is a service. So it's chargeable. And we teach you, like, if two people have come, sometimes they are in a mood of fun. Sometimes they want to play strategy. So we have a collection of strategy, cooperative, fun, party, abstract, every kind of game. And we suggest you with that. So it's more on clean entertainment. Like entertainment, every time for adults also can't be drinking and dancing. So now board gaming as a culture has evolved in India like anything last 4-5 years. The board games market has evolved. Board gaming has been more popular in tier 2 cities, tier 1 cities. And we have seen a lot of board games publishing happen in last 2 years in India. These board games are internationally procured. And next, why board games? I already mentioned it helps in spending quality time. So just day before yesterday, one of my friend with her daughter had come and she messaged me. My daughter told me that, thank you, Papa, Mama, for spending quality time with me after a long time. So that was a big compliment for us too. It means that we think, board games are just for kids or jo bahut intelligent hote and all. It's nothing like that. It's for everyone. From 2 minutes to 10 minutes, you're good to go with any game on the rack, which I'll be showing you in the video. There'll be word power games, financial, abstract, party games, adult games, everything. It also teaches us patience. And if I tell you read a rule book and then play, obviously you'll not be interested. If somebody tells me like a fraction of minute, Acha, this is the way you play, I'll be more keen on playing it. So it's as board gaming has evolved, so we are planning. We are our second outlet is coming up in Calcutta in last week of October, and this has been delayed because of the Puja holidays there. So we'll be doing it in last week of October. And board gaming as a culture has evolved everywhere in India and abroad. So we plan to grow now. So revenue sources too, games and food. Our food is also increased because of our USP. And we are known for our good board games and fresh and good food. So we'll see the board gaming as a culture has really evolved. So when this was made was 2020, 2021, we are way ahead with these numbers also. Everyone is playing. Means it's just not Monopoly, Uno, and business and chess. There are a lot more games to offer. Working parents, middle class, means everyone. So we have three models in fact, where we have also done in Lower Parel that has been shut down due to COVID, where already there was a lounge and we had set up just the board gaming part. So it was a USP for them, board gamings. They had their own food and drinks menu. So that's called Shop in Shop. Then we also have electronic dart, which you'll be seeing in the video. So you can go with dart games. It's an electronic vending machine. And so we have different configurations for the same, with dart and without dart. So how we will be helping it? So what we are doing in Calcutta, we had helped in the interiors and the setting up, the games, the training, the chef, the food menu, everything has been done by us. And we keep on changing adding to the food and the games because both are our products. And to talk on financial terms, we had break even like in our first year only within 6 months. It was not that we had to keep working capital. We had been really very lucky. And Paradise Mumbai, of course, has celebrity crowd also given our location. I would also like to share the video of the place.
The fries were the best.
Yes, I'm done. Hello.
Agrima, thank you for sharing the entire concept. We are not able to hear. I think so you're mute.
No, I'm unmute.
Yeah. Thank you so much for Thank you so much for sharing this unique concept. So though we have met and I have understood the project and looking forward for few of the interested franchises for this concept. So this is a unique kind of a thing wherein people can come inside, refresh themselves in terms of playing mind games. Basically, these are the mind games.
Correct.
Yeah, and people can refresh when they move out from.
You don't need mind also while playing.
Okay, correct. Correct. Definitely looking forward to
You
the
come over
sessions. Yeah.
sometime because it's not, you know, somebody says अच्छा cafe में ऐसी games रख लेंगे लोग
Yeah,
खेल लेंगे. So it's continuous addition, training, having tournaments. So it's a product basically.
correct.
So with
Okay.
food and games.
Sure. Thank you so much for sharing, and let's connect with few of the investors once connected to us.
Any questions for now?
I will take it one to one. There are questions in chat box, so I will take it one to one for Mumbai. Sure.
And team, since we have our upcoming event in Mumbai, where we have again invited and we are representing this brand, you want to have a tour of the outlet, you want to interact with Garima, please, I would request, go experience the food, experience the ambience. It's a very good brand. I've never been to this place, but whenever I see the video, I can understand that amazing opportunity, business opportunity. And please be our guest. We invite you to join us. It's a one day, full day show. Come to us, interact with Vikas, interact with Garima, understand what kind of financial model they are offering. So we invite you, obviously we are inviting you for the event, but in case you want to have a tour, please be in touch with Franchise India team, Vikas and his team. They'll align the call with Garima ji, and you can be our guest.
Thank you, Garima.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much, Garima, for sparing time. Just allow me 1 minute. I think Saurabh from Hollywood Pizza will join us soon. By the time, if you want to take us through the IA process for our investors.
Yeah, I think IA is a unique opportunity for each of the investors to explore different opportunities. So definitely, whenever a person is looking for a new kind of a setup.
आप कितनी देर में join करोगे?
Ma'am, your mic is open.
यार actually ना मेरे वो client आ नहीं रहे हैं, आप join कर पाओगे? नहीं तो मुझे ना ये बंद करना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको chance नहीं मिलेगा.
Achal ma'am, your mic is on. Yeah, so in terms of the IA, wherein it gives you an opportunity to understand in depth about the brands, how they functions, and you know about the exact financial state, how the ROI structure works for the brand. So once you get on board with the Franchise India, there is a CAM who assists you in terms of the exploring the different opportunities. It could be F&B, it could be from the manufacturing, it could be from the pharma. So you learn the different opportunity, and down the line, when you are looking for a new business, something new might click to your mind when it come across. So recently we have a tie-up brand onboarded with us for, on the format of the charging stations. We have models, brands with the e-charging scooters, which are on the rental. Recently, we have tied up with one of the company which are into rental of the vehicles, luxurious vehicles on rental. So that is an eco. We have different brands like in educations. So you can explore different brands. You can connect with the CAM. CAM will make you understand the entire process, how this model working. If you feel like this brand is good, we organize a tri-party meeting within brand directly, and you are able to understand exactly what are in and out of that business model. And parallelly, if everything goes fine, you can go forward and start your business under discussion with that brand. So it gives you this opportunity for an exploring, and it's not about a 1 day affair, 2 day affair. So it gives you an ample number of days of 6 months or 12 months, depending upon your choice, how soon you want to start. And everyone have their own capacity in terms of making arrangement of funds also. Few people are looking for and exploring, but once they explore a brand, their budget also may increase in terms whenever they see a valuable brand and they can overtake that brand, their budget also increase. So they can look in future in terms of applying to loan to different banks for the projects. So it depends. If bank help you support in loans also, you can promote these projects to the bank for the loan applications also. So that is your choice, but definitely the IA give you an opportunity where you have the entire thing model on the paper. What is the exact cost on that model? So it give you an immense opportunity. So I will invite you all. Anybody interested can connect with us to or on the Franchise India direct number, wherein they will get more details of the IA. So I will just request all the participants who are from Maharashtra in and around Mumbai, they can come on 23rd October to Courtyard Marriott, wherein they are putting up this show, where there are different brands, and the Franchise India team will be there to interact with them. They will, all the camps available on the floor will try to speak with you in length on the different brand models. The brands which are present, you can speak to them one to one, understand the entire concept, and parallelly the team there sitting there will help you out in terms of the other opportunities which are available. And the timings for the shows will be from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And anyone want to fix up a slot, they can also call us what time they are visiting. So we will especially welcome them there, and we can sit there and discuss about the projects. And the best benefit to the IAs is whatever brand which comes to us in between. Suppose you get onboarded with us maybe this month, maybe during the event time, you will be taken care hand on with the CAM, and they will start sharing the details of different brands. All the investors who are onboarded with us, they will have the privilege of attending the brand webinar, which happens almost on daily basis. So rather, I should not say almost all, it happened daily basis at 12 noon. So they will be invited with no other charges. It's completely their choice. CAM will share the details. They can connect anytime. Any brand which get onboarded and we are in discussion to come on. So all the invitees who are registered investors with us, we definitely give them a preference to call them and make them understand that this new brand had come to us and we are starting their model in market, and we start sharing the details of those projects also. So it gave them immense opportunity. It will be immense opportunity for you to understand and explore different kind of thing.
Thank you so much, Vikas. Our next brand is joining within a minute. Yes, rightly said by Vikas. We are committed to provide maximum business opportunities to all our investors, be it with our physical or a digital event. As mentioned by Vikas, we are specifically designing the physical event for you guys. We are doing this particular event in Mumbai. Then we have physical event in Pune also. So guys who really want to understand different brands, because both the locations we are inviting different brands, within 2 days you have opportunity to interact with 20 plus different brands. So visit us in Pune as well as in Mumbai to get hands-on to personally interact with these brand founders, leadership team of the brands joining these 2 days. Apart from that, we also organized our different webinars at 12 p.m. We are bringing every day a new opportunity for all of you. We also do Bharat Franchise Show every day. Today we are into Mumbai, so we have invited you guys. However, you want to attend our different shows happening in different cities, you can join, because every city has a different kind of the brands. So you can be a part of these Bharat Franchise Show. Apart from that, we also organize our IA plus IFC webinars that will give you the kind of the portfolio we manage under the kitty of investor acquisition. You want to become a partner with Franchise India, it's very easy to become a partner by just registration yourself with Franchise India team as a independent franchisee consultant. So these are different services we are offering for all of you, so that you interact with us, you understand everything from our side, get the hands-on from our side. So that's from our side. Just give me one more minute. I think Saurabh is joining. Let me see if he's joining, and then probably we'll represent the brand Hollywood Pizza. The brand comes from the land of Delhi, and Saurabh is chef himself, so he will definitely talk about his journey. So just allow me 1 minute. Let me confirm his joining.
कायरा के नाम से, कायरा।
Hi, Saurabh. Thank you so much for joining the call, and we were waiting for you. We understand you were in traffic. So let me introduce Saurabh. Saurabh comes with a rich experience, and he is there to represent the brand Hollywood Pizza and Grill, and he will definitely talk about the business opportunity he has got for all of us. So thank you so much, Saurabh. Now I'll share my screen for you, and then probably you can start with the presentation. I hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes. Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Am I audible, Archana?
We can hear you, Saurabh. You can go on. I hope we are at second slide. You can go on, sir.
Yes. So as Archana has told everybody, I am Saurabh Singhal. I am founder of Hollywood's Pizza and Grill. It's a award-winning American themed restaurant chain owned in India by Spirit Brew Ventures. We already have presence in Delhi, Noida, Greater Noida, and Chandigarh region, and we have aggressive plans to enter new markets like Mumbai and Calcutta, Gujarat, because what we are offering is a wood-fired pizzas. Now these wood-fired pizzas are they are very authentic, and they are very delicious, and we are the only one in India who are serving these kind of pizzas on the main street, because these pizzas are available in high-end hotels and microbreweries and bars. So our brand brings this kind of experience to a common man in his daily way of life. So this brand was started in 2019, and we, after getting amazing response for the brand, we were being approached by people to have some more franchise partners and grow very fast. And one of my friend Russell, who is an American person, he has also entered our company recently as a co-founder. Now we'll move on to the next slide. So now our vision is to be the fastest growing restaurant company by transforming the food sector and offering great tasting, high quality products. And our mission is bringing people together to socialize and celebrate the spirit of Hollywood on daily basis. Now we'll move on to next slide. This is about myself. I have been working with the industry for last 21 years. I've been being a part of the opening team and operational team of McDonald's, Pizza Hut, TGI Fridays, which is American bar chain, and Benihana. Benihana is also American-based, Japanese chain. So after operating and opening restaurants, or maybe half of the world, we have found that in India the options for hygienically prepared high quality products are not there in the fast food sector. So this made us chose this segment, and to help and support franchise partners to grow together. Now moving on to the next slide. Our founder, co-founder is Russell, and we'll just introduce Russell also in the next slide. Archana ji. Archana ji. Now Russell, about Russell also, he was born in Hawaii Island, USA, and he has been working from last more than 15 years in the restaurant industry. And he has been working with a lot of restaurant chains. He has opened many Benihanas in Europe, Asia, Canada, and his last major experience was working with Cracker Barrel, Old Country, store. So he has been excelling all over, all these restaurant chains, and now he is there to help us and our franchise partners to develop and grow the Hollywood's Pizza and Grill outlets. So moving on to the next slide. Archana ji, yeah. Now this is about our, brand recognitions. So we have been recognized as the best upcoming restaurant chain by Business Fair Media Group. And we have also, our brand also features among the 10 most popular franchise to have a look at by the Insight Success Business publication. And it has been published in February 2021. So moving on to our next slide. Now this is our menu. If you see, our menu is quite affordable. It has great options of specialty pizzas and the gourmet pizzas. And the uniqueness about our brand and about our menu is that we have proprietary names of the Hollywood movies, which are being used as the menu, items. Now these names, they bring a feeling of nostalgia when somebody goes for our menu. And all these pizzas, like, our pizzas are already, they are superstar. When people come to our outlet, they order for pizza like The Beach. I want to have Indiana Jones. I want Taxi Driver. So these pizzas, they are not available in any other restaurant chain. So this brings kind of, a novelty factor in our brand. So we'll just discuss about the franchise option in the next slide. Archana ji, can we move on to the next slide? So this is about our, franchise plan. Like, we are inviting franchise partners for unit franchise, which is starting in just ₹10 lakh rupees, wherein one can, open his or her own restaurant to operate, and there are earnings to be made through the food sales. We are also offering master franchise options, which are starting at just ₹30 lakh rupees. So in this 30 lakh rupees, you get an entire area to develop as a master franchisor. Then we also are sharing the 50%, future earning from royalty fees and the, franchise fees as a part of our share among the master franchisee and the brand. So moving on to our next slide. These are the partner support functions, which will tell that, like, pre-opening, what kind of support we are offering. So we start with the site selection and the guidance and the site layouts. We also have brand book, we have complete equipment sourcing, we have staff planning and hiring, recipe manuals, training program. We also have product development and product supplies, which are very standard, and everything is being consistently supplied to all our outlets, and they have been things which are being shortlisted at the lowest cost possible. We also have economy of scale, which we are offering to all our franchise partners. We also have menu innovations. We have marketing and brand pullout, promotional schemes, and the hand-holding support, which means that our team will be there at the outlet after opening to support the franchise partner for some days. Can we have the next slide, please? Now, these are some top reasons for becoming our unit or master franchise. So as you have seen, it's a attractive and growing market, and we have category defining innovative concept, which is, our wood-fired pizzas. We have, significant brand potential, which means that our brand is new in the market and there's a huge potential lying, in the market, which is available for us. We are offering great margins in our pizzas. We have extensive operational and marketing support. And as you see, pizza is one of the most preferred cuisine in India for dining, delivery, and takeaway. And the last important thing is the branded options are still very few in the market, like Mumbai, Delhi, or other metros and tier 2 towns. So moving on to next slide. Now we have come to our financial model slide. So if you are able to see one by one when we talk about takeaway option, so the area requirement is in the range of around 150 to 300 square feet. Total investment is in the range of around 10 to 12 lakh rupees. Franchise fees is 6 lakh rupees. Setup cost is 4 to 8 lakh rupees. And the margin we are targeting is around 30%. We have 5% royalty, which is charged on monthly sales coming to the company, which is there to take care of the marketing and the operational guidance on daily basis. Payback is the period wherein the money invested in our business is expected to come back, which is around 14 months. And the items are like appetizers, pizza, pasta, wraps, and beverages. Now in the diner option, the area requirement starts in the range of around 500 to 2000 square feet. Investment is around 18 to 20 lakh rupees. Franchise fees is a little bit higher because of a lot of follow-ups and opening support is required for diner restaurant, and we spend a lot of money in in the proper training of the staff, which helps our franchise partners. So the setup cost is expected to be in the range of around 10 to 12 lakh rupees. EBITDA margin is 27%. Royalty again is 5%. Payback is around 18 to 20 months, and the menu is there. Then the best option for people who are looking for investment size of around starting 20 to 30 lakh, 40 lakh rupees, and people who are looking to open multiple outlets, we would like to offer them master franchise option. The master franchise option is something which really opens entire area and offers the entire area to the master franchise, and as a business potential and business proposition, it makes a very good sense to become our master franchise because it's a very fast growing brand in the fast growing category. So master franchise, if anybody is interested, we would like to take the queries and discuss the options on maybe one-to-one basis after this seminar. So Archana ji, any questions you have right now?
Thank you so much, Saurabh. Vikas, I'm sure you must be having certain queries. You must be having any feedback for us because he'll be entering into your market. So any feedback, any suggestion?
Yeah, hi, this is Vikas. So for this kind of setup, what kind of investors you are looking for? What kind of profile that a person should have so that he can make a success while taking this project? So exactly how is the profiling done?
Profiling is done on the basis of the education level. So we are looking at somebody coming from corporate background or maybe business family background, or even if we find somebody having education level of postgraduate and will be willing to learn about our procedures and the brand processes, and we are there to guide and help people. So as such, we are not too stringent about profiling as such that we are looking for somebody with having so and so experience of restaurant or hotel industry or coming from so and so background. Is just that, you know, the basic, you know, working about how to work on email, how to, you know, be knowledgeable about, you know, some sort of HR policies and marketing guideline. That is all is required.
Okay, thank you so much. So the entire concept have the both kind of facility, where is a takeaway also, people can dine in there, and the online facility.
Yes.
And the brand help with all the setup, collaboration with the online digital platform.
Yes. We are already there on Swiggy and Zomato, and on Dunzo as well. So we'll be having entire, you know, all this support being provided from the brand itself.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Saurabh. I think so. It might have cleared many doubts of people participating, and we'll definitely connect with you again with the other queries, and the interested set of partners will connect. We'll try to connect them with you.
Yeah, certainly, Mr. Vikas. And
thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you, Archana ji.
Thank you, Saurabh sir, for joining in. You were traveling, but still you got for this particular webinar. We really appreciate your efforts, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Anybody who wish to have a direct connect with Saurabh ji, wants to have a tri-party call with him, please reach out to Vikas. Please reach out to us. We'll be more than happy to arrange your call with him. Thank you so much, Saurabh sir. Thanks. Thank you so much, Vikas, for hosting this webinar, coming us on this particular platform, talking about 5 different opportunities which we have got from you, starting from Uclean, ending with this particular brand, Hollywood Pizza. In case our dear friends, you want to have more interaction, more information about any of the business opportunity, you want to have a direct call with the brand's owner, please connect with us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. Visit us for our event which is happening in Mumbai. Be our guest, spend your time with us for the full day, where we have invited again top 15 business opportunity brands owner. They will come, interact with them, understand their business model. So look forward to have you in our Mumbai show. Thank you so much once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day. Thank you so much.